Today we are going to make these beautiful tulip flowers. For making these tulip flowers, we need colored crepe papers, green color paper to color the stem, rectangular newspaper sheet to make a stem, a refill, gum and scissors. First we are going to make the stem. Take a rectangular piece of newspaper, put a refill at the edge and we will roll it like this to make the stem. Keep on rolling and pull out the refill like this and you keep on rolling. We are going to get a stem like this. At the edge put some gum and stick the extra piece of paper. Now we'll apply gum on this. Spread it. Take a small strip of green paper, keep it like this and roll it over the stem. Now you are going to get a beautiful green color stem. Now I have taken yellow color crepe paper to make tulip petals. We will need 4 strips of paper to make the tulip stem. Take 4 strips of paper. The measurement of each will be 6 cm wide and 13 cm long. Now toward the center of this strip of yellow paper we are going to start making small creases. Gently make very small creases. You have folded your paper by making small creases. Now catch in the middle and turn the paper around like this. You turned it around. Now bring this top paper down, join these bottom corners and press around the top like this. Now go towards this corner and start making small creases. Gently crease up your petals like this and then press them. Press it hard and gently twist it. Be careful, crepe paper is very delicate type of paper. Here your tulip petal ready. Now we are going to make 4 petals which are going to give a very nice look to the tulip. Take your tulip stem towards the edge. If it opens up, kindly join together. Put some gum here nicely. Then take the petals and stick it like this. 2, 3 and 4. After you have done this, take a small strip of green paper to cover the base of the petals. Your tulip is ready. If you want, you can make a beautiful stem, beautiful leaves for the tulip. You just take like this, take a rectangular sheet of paper, fold it like this, and cut a leaf, a long one like this. You can put some gum and attach it like this. Now you can put this in this beautiful vase and keep it